It's that time of the year again when you start thinking about your New Year resolutions, like eating healthy, exercising more, maybe travel, save more money, whatever your New Year resolution may be. I want you to think about if you're going to be eating healthy and exercising more or making healthier lifestyle choices, why not do it armed with your unique genetic blueprint? Your DNA analysis will show you exactly how your body reacts to your environment, the foods you eat, the exercise, types of exercise you do. Get your genetic test kit and analysis special, save $100, and start the new year, your New Year resolutions, armed with personalized lifestyle choices.